Hi, my name's Jason Taylor, and for all you folks in Hickory, I thought I'd come up with some little acronym to help you in case you've been involved in a collision. After 31 years of doing injuries, I think I can do that for you. So the acronym is stay calm. First, the S, stay calm. Check on everybody involved in the collision, see how everybody's doing, and provide whatever care you can. T is telephone the police. You want to make sure they know and they get there and document all of the facts of what happened. A is avoid another collision. Make sure that everybody's out of the roadway and doesn't create a situation where another collision might occur. Y is for your witnesses. Make sure you get all of the information for the witnesses. Don't just rely on the police to do it. Get their names, numbers, email addresses, etc. C is for camera, and if you have a phone with a camera on it, make sure you take lots of photos of the people there, of the vehicles, of the intersection, or whatever the roadway configuration is. All of that information will help in supporting exactly what happened. A is for aches and pains. If you've got any sort of pain or problems afterwards, make sure you see medical attention and get yourself taken care of, and do it sooner rather than later so a doctor can make that causal connection between the injury and the collision. The longer you wait, the harder it is for them to say that problem came from that event. L is for lawyer. Make sure you talk to an experienced trial lawyer who handles injuries, okay? They'll give you a free consultation. I'm sure all of them will. We do. And we get paid when we resolve the case, so it doesn't cost you money as you go, okay? And it helps them keep everything in the right place, pushing hard for you and getting you the total compensation you deserve. M is for make notes, like keeping a diary. You want to track how you're feeling, how your doctor's appointments go, how your situations with work goes and your family, etc. Because if you end up having a situation where you're going to have to battle the insurance company for a period of time, you're going to need that sort of information later, and you're not going to remember it. So being able to go back and look at that will help refresh your memory and help you do a better job, and helping your lawyer do a better job. So remember, stay calm. For everybody in Hickory, if you've been involved in a collision, just remember, stay calm.